Hello, hello. My name is Miss King. I'm the Youth Services Center Coordinator at Western Middle School for the Arts. I'm standing here with one of our fabulous eighth graders.
Hi, I'm Macy Stone.
And today we were fortunate and blessed to have Mr. Peace come in and speak with our students, 6th, 7th, and 8th graders. It left an impression definitely on them. I believe after the presentation or after the assembly, we had students that were touched, that were moved based on some of the stories that he shared. I think it really resonated with them. And so who better than get that feedback from than one of our actual students. So I would like for Macy to give her impact or her good Lord feedback experience. There we go, from Mr. Peace.
I just wanted to say that I thought that it was really inspirational to a lot of us students here because a lot of us went through a rough time, especially during 7th grade or still 8th grade, because middle school is always that really awkward period. But I know that some of my friends, they've thought about doing some very drastic things, and I feel like your talk actually helped them because it kind of helps them to love themselves before and then they're able to help others, because I learned that to accept myself or whatever, and then I started helping all my friends, and now they're better. And I just would like to say that that talk completely summed that up. And what is it called? Miracle. Yes. We are all miracles. So.
Awesome. Awesome. Thank you so much. So, yes, we would definitely recommend Mr. Peace to come to a school town near you.